What are no-fault benefits Section B in Alberta? Car accidents are stressful, and when you are hurt, you need treatment right away. But did you know that in Alberta, your own car insurance can help, no matter who caused the crash? It's called Section B, No Fault Benefits, and understanding how they work could speed up your recovery. Section B is a part of every standard car insurance policy in Alberta. It provides up to $50,000 in medical benefits per person for a physiotherapy, chiropractic care, prescription medication, dental services, medical equipments like crutches or braces, income replacement of up to $400 per week for those unable to work due to the accident. These benefits are available for up to 2 years after the accident or until the cap is used up. Why it matters? The most important part, you do not need to wait for the fault to be decided. These are no fault benefits, meaning you can assess them even if you caused the accident. But there is a catch: strict timelines. You must fill out and submit the AB1 form and begin treatment promptly or risk losing access.
Common questions about Section B. Can I use both Section B and my private insurance?
Section B comes first. Your private plan may kick in after the cap is reached.
What if the insurer denies my treatment?
You can appeal and your lawyer can help push back.
Should I get a lawyer even if I use Section B?
Yes, Section B covers short-term needs, but not pain, suffering, or long-term income losses. That's where personal injury claims come in. Using Section B doesn't affect your right to sue the at-fault party later. It's the first layer of help, fast, essential, and legally guaranteed.